modulus is designated to have y, no y. And remember, Young's modulus is actually stress over strain. Strain. Okay? And always remember, when you say stress, di ba? It is also the same as pressure. So stress is also equal to force over area. And strain is the increase of length over original length. If you will see this one, kung makita mo ito sa this one, nag-apply ka ng force load P or W. So meron kang fix dito, dear fix, okay? Dear fix. The original length here is ito, this one. This is the original length of the material. So pwede yan maging, it can be a solid steel, aluminum, or any material. Okay? When it was applied by a force, P or W, it is elongated. So what do you mean by elongated?
Yung mag-extend siya sa...
Tumaas. It expanded into a short distance. So ang tawag ng elongation length is delta L.
Delta lang.
So meaning to say, there are two things that will happen to when you apply force, it's either by tension, hinilahin mo, tension, hilahin mo, meaning to say you're pulling that out. And then compression, kagaya ng suntok ni Pacquiao, compression yan. Compression. Tension, hilahin mo, it is the same as on doors, no? Di ba ang sabi doon sa door? Pull! Hilahin mo. Meron nakita, I've seen there are some pull o push. Class, you always read the door. Pull! Hilahin mo. So tension. When you say push, compression yan. Push. Ang ibig sabihin, you get inside, you push, you pull. Depende, it always depends on the instruction sa door. Door. So push is compression and tension is tension is pull. Hilahin mo. Okay? So when you say pull or tension, you are increasing the length of any material. Increasing the length. When you say push, you are decreasing. So dalawang klase. It's either it will increase due to tension or decrease due to compression. Okay? So yan ang okay? So this can be as force over area over delta L over L. You simplify further, it will become F over A multiplied by L over delta L. Okay? So you will have now F L delta L area. So what are these things? This one is the force applied. Force applied. It can be tension, tension or compression. And your L is original length. Okay? And then your area, delta L, is your increase in length when M is tension. Okay? Delta L will be decreased